Okay guys, so we are here at the market and we're going to choose some ingredients for today's class and listen to the teacher about more details, so come on with us. So we're going to keep things really minimal today because we want to be really fast on our feet because we're in a group and we don't want to slow things down. So I've got my magnet pendant here. I'm going to capture all POV shots here, get up close and personal with all the ingredients. It's going to be great when we go to the garden, pick the herbs and do some cooking. And then we have our pivot stand. This is going to be good for getting some cool, unique angles. I don't know how we're going to use it yet, but let's see how we get on. And then we have our magnetic sticky base. Again, don't know what's going to happen, but let's see how we can use it. And at the end, if we make some good friends and we have some selfie moments, I've got the selfie stick here. So let the adventure commence and let's get cooking. So now it's time to venture into the garden and choose all of the fresh ingredients for the cooking class. Being totally hands-free definitely has its benefits. It meant that I could get really involved in the group, like trying the freshly picked herbs whilst also carrying all of the other ingredients. And FYI, purple flowers taste surprisingly good, kind of like a bitter purple Skittle. Definitely recommend. And I think you've all heard this enough lately, but wash your hands. Ingredients chosen, now let's go cooking! As you can see, I'm paying very close attention to the class, but also thinking, how am I going to cook whilst using this tiny camera? So let the improvising commence. For sure, this was my favourite mounting trick from this whole experience. Let's get saucy. I genuinely cannot think of any other camera that is capable of getting these angles so easily, but if you do know one, let me know down in the comments. Cheers, everybody. It's full of ribs. Oh my God. Now it's time for dish number 2. So here we're preparing the curry paste, which as you can see requires a good amount of elbow grease. Some chili in my eye, so I'm going to play it safe with the glasses and put the easy clip here for a hyperlapse. Ouch! I got burned by some oil here, so I got an aloe vera POV, but the burns don't stop me. It's time for the next dish. With gold mounted on my glasses, it was super easy to get this super wide facing down shot of all the preparation. Go's hyperlapses can go up to 30 minutes, so this is perfect if you want to get a long shot of the whole cooking process. Go on the glasses was also perfect for capturing some hands-free BTS shots. Oh my God, I am so full. The cooking is over and done with, and I've got another burn to add to this wonderful trip in Thailand. However, you might have realised we don't have dessert, so we're gonna head into downtown and I've got a little surprise. Come on, Gabby, let's go. Okay, so we are back from the cooking class. We're back at the hotel, but we had to wake up at like 7 a.m. this morning. So our usual cameraman, Gabby, has like passed out because he's super tired. However, we didn't make dessert at the cooking school, which I see as an opportunity because basically it's Gabby's birthday, but he doesn't think that I know, and he never celebrates his birthday. So I want to surprise him with a cake and also get a nice go shot at it at the same time. So I'm gonna head out incognito, pick up a cake, and then let's get a birthday POV to surprise him. Cake is in the hands, and now mission birthday surprise is on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you.
My God.
He's surprised.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Gabby. Happy birthday, everyone.
Thanks so much.
So that is us. We're ending the day with very full stomachs and some birthday bliss. Happy birthday, Gabby.
Thank you.
You don't look a day over 31. I'm only kidding. But thank you if you stuck around to the end of this episode. If you thought that my cooking was good, let me know down in the comments. Likewise, if you thought it was to be improved, also let me know down in the comments. But speaking of which, if you try out any of these with your Insta360 GO, don't forget to hashtag Insta360 GO cooking, because I'm going to be checking it out and there might just be a little prize in there for the best upload. But thank you again for joining us on this journey. If you did enjoy it, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, stick on the notifications, and I'll see you for the next one. Say bye, birthday boy. Bye.
Bye-bye. No, you don't need it, right?
Yeah, she ate it.
You want?
But I want to get you on camera.
No.
Oh, you're boring. No, really? Yeah. She ate it.
Can you eat this one?
Yes.
Like this?
Can. Yeah, I just
Okay,
eat.
I dare you. Go.
And then,
Goodbye.